Much like the machines that our products are placed in, Irvin Automotive is a fine-tuned operation, continually evolving to fit the needs of our customers. We are a full-service supplier, and for nearly a century have been producing quality products for the automotive industry and beyond. Headquartered in Pontiac, Michigan, USA, Irvin Automotive houses engineering, design, prototype build, an evaluation shop, research and test laboratories within our 75,000 square foot facility. We operate 3 manufacturing plants in Mexico encompassing more than 360,000 square feet and ship 120,000 components daily. Our world-class manufacturing capabilities are supported by over 6,000 manufacturing associates, each specially trained, monitored, and certified in their craft. We are technology-driven and continually invest in the latest equipment, enabling the Irvin team to accelerate your product through design and development to the manufacturing floor with speed and agility. Irvin has forged a reputation in the auto industry with over 60 years of automotive interior solutions experience, positioning us to offer high-capacity output and insight to other industries. We are unsurpassed in cut and sew applications, utilizing a variety of specialized sewing equipment in our production facilities. These include programmable and automated stations with integrated barcode printing upon meeting all tolerances, flatbed walking foot machines for join seams and better material handling, post-bed walking foot machines for French seaming with uniform stitch appearance without marking sensitive material, double needle machines for decorative and ornamental seams. Through the use of this state-of-the-art equipment, we achieve elaborate detail, perfect appearance, precise binding, and maximum compliance. Irvin is known for supplying a full line of high-quality interior trim products to OEMs worldwide. Irvin's seat trim operation has the ability to develop components and systems for any type of vehicle or interior configuration. Our pattern design and cut and sew facilities are strategically positioned for accelerated design to release. Our investment into cutting-edge technologies and commitment to quality assurance makes us a vital link in the global supply chain. Irvin's visor development programs can accommodate many arrays with features and options ranging from fully integrated to basic economical designs. We have pioneered new lightweight substrate configurations and materials to become a leader in sun visor development. By integrating armrests into the total seating system for efficiency and convenience, Irvin has adapted to consumer needs while adhering to rigid OEM operational requirements. Irvin's Cargo Shade product line offers high-performance innovation in a patented motor spring technology that delivers reliable torque with low mass. At Irvin, our team approach is unparalleled. Our 15,000 square foot design and development center emulates the same processes, software, and equipment utilized in our manufacturing facilities. We are able to quickly prototype your product with accuracy. We hold ourselves to the highest quality standards with advanced in-house testing, validation equipment, and quality tracking. We ensure that your product is manufactured correctly. Irvin delivers superior products on time, when and where you need them. Put the Irvin machine to work for you.